Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you intend to clean. This ensures you remove the right data. Once signed in, open My Activity or navigate through Settings, Google Manage Your Data. This brings you to the Activity Control Center. Make a choice now. Do you need the last hour, the last day, all time, or a custom range? Select that scope so the next steps act precisely and avoid deleting unrelated accounts. Once in My Activity, use filters to narrow results by product, date, or search term. This is crucial when you want surgical removal instead of broad deletion. You can tick individual items for targeted cleanup or tap Delete and pick a range like last 24 hours or all time. Choosing a range is faster, but more destructive. Make sure to preview the filtered items so you know what will be removed, because deletions can't be reversed through Google's interface. Now execute the deletion and confirm the prompt. Google will remove those records from your account. Once done, consider pausing web and app activity or enable auto-delete intervals. This prevents future buildup without manual cleaning. If you still see history syncing back, make sure to sign out on other devices, clear the browser cache and cookies, and revoke device access from Google account settings. These steps stop stale or synced entries from reappearing, and they solve the most common sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.